Oh.
Okay, mga kaibigan. So, eto na nga ang very important phone ng Infinix ngayon taon. Kasi 'di ba, VIP. And yes, medyo two-tone na ako, mga kaibigan. Ewan ko kung obvious sa camera yung dito sa kamay ko, pero mamaya makikita nyo yan. So, ito na nga ang Infinix Note 30 VIP and Classic Infinix, talagang ang lalaki ng mga box nila. And ang tanong, is this the best smartphone that you can buy for under $300 or 15,000 Philippine pesos? Kasi ito bili ko dito is 14K. And malamang may mga go-comment dyan ng mga fanboys ng Tecno. Yan. Not gonna lie, medyo na-hype ako sa sound by JBL na yan. Although ako masyadong mag-expect doon kahit na may branding ng JBL. Pero, this is I think one of the cheapest smartphones ata with wireless charging. That's under 15K, under $300, that's insane. And yes, this does have the same chipset as with the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G with a MediaTek Dimensity 8050, which ina-expect ko should run cooler kumpara sa 20 Pro 5G, since at least nabasa ko to sa GSM Arena is meron nga itong yung parang tinatawag pa nilang liquid cooling vapor chamber, which I don't want to expect too much out of as ayoko din ma-disappoint. But yeah, check out na muna natin ang Infinix Note 30 VIP. And ayun na mga kaibigan, ang pagka-two-tone ko. Mas kita nyo na ngayon. Yes, alam ko. And at least based sa pag-compare ng spec sheet ng dalawang phone na to, the Note 30 VIP versus the Camon 20 Pro 5G, is nasa obvious advantage talaga ang Note 30 VIP. Just to name a few is yung 68 watt fast charging neto, 50 watt wireless charging, which unfortunately is hindi ko matetest since yung fastest wireless charging na meron ako is itong Xiaomi na 20 watt wireless charger, IP53 rating, which actually, at least according sa GSM Arena, is region dependent daw siya. So itong specific Note 30 VIP na nasa akin is hindi ko makakonfirm if meron nga tong IP rating. But hey, if ever na may mas knowledgeable dyan in the comments na makakapag-clarify if anong mga region lang yung may IP certified na Note 30 VIP, then leave it in the comments. Isa pang advantage na Note 30 VIP is yung display na to covers 100% of the DCI-P tricolor space, which assume ko not even close to that yung display netong 20 Pro 5G. Hindi ko din ma-confirm dito since wala naman binanggit na specifics ang Tecno. Tapos ewan ko kung advantage yung 108 megapixel camera neto since walang binanggit ko may OIS siya, if anong aperture niya, ganon. And at least kung kukumpara mo yung spec sheet ng dalawang phone na to and kung consider mo din yung difference nila in price, is parang way worth it yung Note 30 VIP kumpara dito sa 20 Pro 5G. But yeah, malaman natin yon sa comparison video ko ng dalawang phone na to after ng review ko dito sa Note 30 VIP, which most likely by next week ko ma-upload. At ito nga, ang Infinix Note 30 VIP, sound by JBL, wireless charging, 12 gigs of memory with 256 gigs of storage. Wala akong pake sa RAM extension na yan. Again, paulit-ulit yung sinabi yun. Masyadong overrated or overhype yung feature na yun. So, yun. 68 nga watt fast charging with 50 watt wireless charging, which daig pa ang S23 Ultra ko. Tapos itong spec list sa likod, so Note 30 VIP, 68 watt, 50 watt, Dimensity 8050, 36-month fluency certification, which I'm not sure kung what that's about. No, yan, 120Hz ka na 10-bit AMOLED iCare display. And like the 20 Pro 5G is in-display din yung fingerprint scanner neto, which honestly talagang mas gusto ko lang talaga ang physical na fingerprint scanners, yung side-mounted. Like with the Poco F5, since mas madami kang magagawa with a physical fingerprint scanner, like yung mga gestures and shit. But oh well. Parang iniisip ata ng Infinix is parang high-end feature ang in-display fingerprint scanner, which yeah, technically it is, but hindi ko babasahin to. Dual speakers, sound by JBL and high-res, 108 megapixel master triple camera. And yan nga yung ibang mga specs niya. But yeah, for now, unbox muna natin to. And yung pinili ko na color option nito is yung Magic Black na color option. Available din in Glacier White. Okay, so mukhang ito yung pinaka-box ng phone mismo. Tapos, meron tayong included na 15 watt wireless charging pad, which is insane. Legit, dito pa lang is sobrang nakaw na. Supports 15-watt wireless fast charge, Qi and EPP standard protocols, multi-safety protection, tempered plexiglass panel, and ayan nga, actually man-box muna to. Okay, that's pretty insane. For a phone of this price is may kasama kang wireless charging pad pa. Ito na yung Type-C port, and meron tayong mga anti-slip feet. Tapos ito tayong sinasabi ng Infinix na glass. Feels and looks like glass for the most part. Tapos may user manual dito, and yun na yun. And here we have the phone itself. SIM ejector, warranty card, and mukhang may kasama din tayo na tempered glass na screen protector. So, very nice touch. Tapos, may installation guide din. Alamang, di ko din gagamitin to. And meron tayong hard transparent case. Tapos nakalagay sound by JBL. Ganayo ako masyado ma-overhype dun sa sound by JBL na yun, pero medyo na-overhype nga ako, mga kaibigan. Ang 68-watt charging brick ni Infinix. As long as na under 1 hour ma-charge ko yung phone, masaya na ako doon kasi sa mga hindi nakakalam is parang may built-in na safe charging feature ang Infinix and Techno devices. Yeah, hopefully under 1 hour ma-charge ko from 0 to 100 to. Tapos meron tayong Type A to Type C. Hindi ko ba din alam kung bakit hindi pa silang transition sa Type-C to Type-C charging, but oh well. Baka may kinalaman din sa price. Baka mas mura lang talaga if Type A to Type-C. I'm not so sure, but yeah. And there we have the Note 30 VIP. Looks quite nice. And yeah, meron tayong pre-installed na plastic screen protector. And isa pa palang advantage na Note 30 VIP is glass back to kumpara sa plastic back ng 20 Pro 5G. And yeah, yun lang talaga naisip ko na comparison is yung 20 Pro 5G. And yeah, so far design wise, it looks good. Gusto ko is yung parang nagme-melt over na glass dito sa may camera modules. Parang sa design ng 05G. And yes, ito naman tayo. Like the 20 Pro 5G is yung two other sensors neto is 2 megapixels na malamang is isang macro and isang depth sensor. So, yeah. Pero yan nga yung main 108 megapixel sensor with the quad LED flash. Tapos nakalagay nga dito is 108 megapixels / ASPH. Tapos wireless charging. Tapos yan nga yung Infinix logo. And sa right side, we do have the power button. Nice and clicky din. Along with the volume rocker. Sa left side is yung SIM card tray. And at the top, we do have the top speaker grill, which I would assume works in conjunction with the earpiece speakers. Tapos secondary noise cancelling microphone and yung sound by JBL. Very nice. And sa bottom nga ng phone, we do have old jack, the main microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and bottom firing speakers. And yan nga yung hole punch para sa 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Tapos ewan ko, for some reason, parehong ginawa ng Infinix and Techno na shiny, glossy finish yung sides ng phone nila. Ay, nako. Pero yun nga. Tapos at least compared sa 20 Pro 5G is mukhang thicker ng konti yung side bezels niya. And ang gusto ko dito is, thin yung bottom chin niya. And pantay naman sila for the most part. Mukha naman ganon para sa top bezel din. But yeah, for now, isa-setup ko muna to and I'll come back to you guys in a bit. At nagbabalik na po tayo mga kaibigan. So for now, is nalogin ko na yung Google account ko dito. Tapos na-update ko na yung mga apps. And titignan muna natin yung mga pre-installed and yung mga pwedeng uninstall na apps. Pero malamang kutob ko na. Hanggang disable lang yung mga most na mga apps na nandito. So yeah. Games first. Disable lang talaga. All document read and analyze. Di ko lang ano yun. Pwede naman na-install siya. Card care, yung warranty nga sa mga Infinix and Techno devices. Yan yung mga ibang pre-installed. Compass. Kung gagamitin ko yun, pwedeng uninstall. And so far, yung dalawang apps na in-install ko dito is yung dev check lang and display checker. Data restore tool. Pwede disable. Device health services, disabled din. Yan yung iba mga pre-installed like Facebook pero hindi ko uninstall yan since ginagamit ko yan. Folax, hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Hindi mo lang pwede disable. Hi browser, disable lang din of course. iTranslate, disable lang din. Infinix file viewer, pwede man install kung gusto mo. Yan pa yung pre-installed apps, live transcribe, and sound notifications. Disable lang. Mobile cloner, hindi pa yung disable. My health, pwede naman disable. Notepad, gamitin ko din kasi yung Google Notes or Keep Notes, tapos yung Palm Store. Yup, pwede lang din disable, syempre. Personal safety, pwede lang din disable. Malamang di ko din magagamit yan. Phone Master, pwede. Scooper News, yeah, pwede na install. Nice. Smart Panel, which is actually a pretty helpful feature naman dito sa software ng Infinix. Smart Scanner, disable lang. Sound Recorder, disable and then tapos Visha Player, disable. WeZone, disable and then Wow FM, sakaling ay mo naman yan, disable and then. So yeah, most ng mga apps na nandito is pwede mo lang i-disable pero not necessarily uninstall. So, yan nga. Xshare Mini, disable. And so far, pagdating naman sa display naman nito, it looks pretty good. Deep blacks, nice and vibrant for the most part. And titignan ko actually yung ito sa display settings. Color style, original color. So, mukhang parang nasa default na tayo na color scheme dito sa display. And currently, nakaset siya sa auto switch refresh rate. Tapos matest nga if gagana nga yung auto switch refresh rate na yon with display checker. Okay, so currently 120Hz tayo. Yep, nagde-dial down nga siya sa 60Hz. Tapos try natin sa specific apps if ilalock niya talaga sa 60Hz. Like hindi siya nag-a-adapt ganun. So YouTube. Yeah. Bukod sa unang nakita nyo na yun na malamang pwedeng ma-demonetize ako doon is yeah, nilalock niya sa 60Hz, which is that's insane, bruh. I don't like that. So, try natin if ilalock naman natin ngayon sa 120Hz. Pero dito sa display settings is may option ka for 60, 90, and 120Hz. Ito tayo sa 120Hz and tingnan natin if take note and ito lang naman para sa akin like what's the point na pwede mong i-set yung refresh rate, ilalock mo sa 120Hz pero nagda-dial down pa din automatically to 60Hz. That doesn't make any sense. If I want my display at 120Hz all the time, let me do that. Wag mong i-dial down to 60Hz if nilock ko nga sa 120Hz in display. So, sa YouTube naman, yep, nakalock naman sa 120Hz for the most part. Pero weirdly enough, pag nasa home screen, is dinadial down niya pa din sa 60Hz. And so far, pagdating mo sa brightness is it gets very bright and assume ko is perfectly viewable din to under direct sunlight. Pero of course, alaman ko yon sa extensive testing dito. And dito sa dev check, we do have the Dimensity 8050, Mali G77 MC9, tapos 1080p up to 120Hz, 12 gigs of memory, tapos UFS storage. And so far sa performance neto is pretty snappy yung phone. Of course, considering nakaka-unbox ko lang neto. And so far, feeling flagship siya. Parang yung 20 Pro 5G din, pero of course, mamaya magkakaalaman sa temperature test neto. Kamusta naman yung performance neto? But of course, more extensive testing, doon ko malalaman yung max temp na na-reach neto. And yeah, so far legit naman na may wireless charging siya. Yeah. Very nice. And talagang hindi pa din ako makapaniwala. At this price, you're getting wireless charging. And of course, quick camera test na din. Tapos quick selfie. And na-download ko na nga ang Genshin. Okay mga kaibigan, so na-download ko na yung Genshin. I've been playing it for a little over 30 minutes now. And actually kanina, while downloading Genshin is umaabot yung temps siya from 44 to 45. So, not gonna lie disappointed ako. Akala ko like magiging better yung cooling dito ng Infinix but apparently not. Or baka ganun lang talaga yung nature ng Dimensity 8050. I'm not really sure but yeah, so far nasa highest graphics preset nga to. Ayan, tapos 60 FPS motion blur turned off. And yung highest temps pati din dito is yeah, around 44 to 45. So ayan, around 44 to 45. And yeah, just like with the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G is, yeah, dito sa highest graphics preset is, it's a laggy mess basically. Obviously, I can lower the graphics settings dito sa Genshin, pero yun nga yung performance neto so far sa Infinix Note 30 VIP on the highest graphics preset at 60 FPS. Although I am happy to report na yung sound by JBL na yan, it performs. It delivers, I mean. Yeah, really nice and loud naman for the most part compared sa 20 Pro 5G, which is not that loud in comparison to the Note 30 VIP. And pagdating naman sa battery life neto, I would expect this to perform the same as with the Camon 20 Pro 5G. So basically same chipset, same 5,000 mAh battery. Pero of course dito sa Note 30 VIP is you have the advantage of 68 watt fast charging and wireless charging. And I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, disappointed ako dito so far kasi na-expect ko it would be a bit better in terms of temps kumpara sa 20 Pro 5G, but halos the same lang sila so far. Pero of course gagawin ko pa yung extensive testing ko dito, and yung full review ko neto will be uploaded by next week, and the following week naman is yung comparison naman ng dalawang phone na to. But aside yung performance niya, of course, sa Genshin is pretty great naman yung phone na to so far. Of course, feels snappy. Combined with that 120Hz display, it kind of feels like a flagship in day-to-day tasks. And yeah, yun yung masasabi ko so far. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for now para sa unboxing and first impressions ko dito sa Infinix Note 30 VIP. Good looking phone though. Again, full review ko na ito by next week. Of course, if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel, of course, consider subscribing. Leave a like. It's the easiest way to support the channel. And of course, turn on notifications for all so you'll be updated on my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stew, gotta check the fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they